Have you ever wondered why so many people who turn 65 think their life is winding down? They believe that their health, memory, and strength are only gradually decreasing. But strangely enough, science says otherwise. The human body is actually designed to function well past 100, and how you start the first 60 minutes after waking up can determine whether you age quickly or live 30 healthy years. Today, you'll discover upgraded versions of 6 morning habits backed by the latest research. Habits that can make you younger, more alert, and more powerful than your 40-year-old self. And hey, if you're viewing at 55, 65, or 75, comment, "I'm ready for a change." I read all comments on Wellness Roots journey. Interestingly, scientists have discovered that much of the aging we blame on our age is actually the result of our bad morning routine. Your body is on call every morning, either to start repairing cells or to go into destruction mode. A simple habit can either hold you back or make your cells age twice as fast. Every night when you sleep, your body loses about 1 to 2 kilograms of fluid. Blood becomes thicker, the heart has to beat harder to push blood, but just 2 glasses of warm water right after opening your eyes, you have started the circulatory system, helping to thin the blood and reduce the load on the heart for 24 hours. New points to remember: should drink within 5 to 10 minutes after waking up. Drink in small sips, not gulp. You can add 1 small spoon of diluted salt water if you are prone to cramps or low blood pressure. That is enough to wake up the body from the inside. Many people think that not being thirsty means the body does not need water. But after the age of 65, the feeling of thirst almost disappears. When lacking water, the brain will shrink slightly, leading to dizziness, poor memory, and difficulty concentrating. Many cases of dizziness in the elderly are actually due to chronic dehydration, not a disease. Drinking water first thing in the morning is a free medicine, but is more effective than many expensive functional foods. Just 10 minutes of natural light is enough to turn on your endocrine system. Morning light turns off melatonin, sleep hormone, increases serotonin, happy hormone, resets your body clock. Many people open their eyes and reach for their phones immediately. This tricks the brain into thinking you're in a dimly lit environment, causing your body clock to be delayed all day. People exposed to morning light have longer telomeres, meaning they are 5 to 7 years younger biologically. Not to mention, natural morning light also helps the body synthesize vitamin D more effectively than any pill. You don't need the sun to shine directly on your skin. Just stand near an open window, go to the patio or balcony, or take a light walk outside. Just 10 minutes can make a huge difference to your sleep and your mood throughout the day. After age 60, we lose 3% of our muscle mass each year. This leads to weak legs and falls, one of the leading causes of death in older adults. Eating 30 g of protein early puts your body into muscle building mode immediately. You can choose 2-3 eggs, Greek yogurt, chicken, lean fish, whey protein. If you don't want to cook for vegetarians, need 38-40 g of protein because plants absorb less well. Important: eat as soon as possible to activate the muscle recovery process more strongly. Stand on one leg for 30 seconds, then switch sides, but the upgrade is close your eyes slightly or turn your head left and right while balancing. This small change helps the brain activate the balance nerves more deeply. Your balance system is at its sharpest when you wake up. Practicing for 60 seconds at this time will strengthen the part of your brain that controls movement and reflexes. Improved balance equals 80% less risk of falling. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7 seconds, exhale for 8 seconds. Each breath expands the entire lung, pushing oxygen deep into the lower lobes of the lungs, where oxygen is best absorbed. Just do 10 rounds. The nervous system immediately switches to recovery mode. When breathing correctly, blood pressure drops, heart rate stabilizes, telomerase increases by 40%. This is why this technique is called the instant rejuvenation switch. Think of these 6 habits as 6 gears. When they turn, your body enters a state of regeneration. Cells repair, muscles rebuild, brain makes new connections, heart works smoothly. The change doesn't happen overnight, but in just 2 weeks you'll start to feel a noticeable new energy in your body. When you open your eyes tomorrow, what will you choose? Let your body continue aging, or turn on the rejuvenation switch from the first second? Your body, whether you're 55, 65, or 85, can still rejuvenate if you give it the right signals. That if you want to live another 20 to 30 years of healthy, energetic life, try this habit tomorrow morning. And if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe to Wellness Roots Journey, and leave a comment saying, "I'm on a new journey." I'll respond to each of your comments. See you in the next video.